This 5-minute solution will show you how to install Microsoft Word for free. Follow these easy steps to install Microsoft Office for free. Open your browser and search here Microsoft Store. And now open Microsoft Store. And here click on the search box and type here Office and search for Office. And here select apps. And now you have to click on Microsoft 365 and it's free. So all you have to do is just click on install and click on open Microsoft Store. And as you can see, I've already installed Microsoft 365 Office. So here showing up open. If you're first time here, you will get install option here. So let's open Microsoft 365 Office. And once you are in Microsoft Office 365 application, here you will get Microsoft Word. So click on it. And now you can create a blank document to start your project. That's how we can install Microsoft Word for free. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.